Hello, friends. Today we are going to be going over how to take an audio recording and upload it into Canvas. So before we get started, I will let you know I am using an external microphone, so just a microphone that you plug into your computer, not the one that already comes on it. You don't have to use that. If you have one, then go ahead and use it. See if you like how it sounds. The microphone on your laptop will work just fine, so that's all right. If you just want to use that, just make sure that your laptop is sitting on a hard surface so that you don't get interference in the sound when you're recording, and make sure that your hands are away from the computer while you're recording. Okay, so if you do have, if you do have a microphone that you'd like to use, you'll go into settings right here, then system, sound. There's your output. You scroll down to input. Right now I am using, see it says Samson Meteor Mic. The internal microphone is the one that already comes on your computer, and we can tell that it's working because this little guy is moving up and down. So we know that the computer is hearing what I'm saying. So all good. I can close that out. And now we need to take our voice recording. So we will go to the search bar, type in voice recorder. And if you've never used the voice recorder before, that's what it looks like right there. You just got this little microphone in the center of it. We'll press that to start recording. And you want to wait until it says 2 before you start recording. You got the little countdown right here. If you want to pause, you got the pause button right here. Wait 2 seconds again. 13, 14, and pause it. And so you can tell that it's not doing anything because the countdown's not going, the circles aren't moving. Unpause it and wait 2 seconds again. So we'll wait till it says 16. And then you can start talking again, just to make sure that you get everything in your recording that you need to get. So these circles, they'll tell you how loudly you're speaking, or singing or whatever. So as long as it's not all the way down to the circle like this, you're probably fine. As long as it's not way out here, you're probably good. So that is how the audio recording works. So when you want to stop recording completely, after you're done with everything, you're not just pausing for a second. You'll press this button. Perfectly 1 minute. That's awesome. I love that. Okay, so it brings you to this screen where you've got your recording, and if you were to take another recording, you just hang out here, take another recording for a second, stop. It would add that as well. So that's the second one we took. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. All right, so we're going to want to rename this to whatever you're going to drop it into Canvas as. I'm just going to name it assignment, rename, and now it is called assignment. So let me show you really fast. If you press open file location when you right click, sorry, that was my cat. Oh, wait, cat. Okay, if you press open file location, you can see that it brings you to where this is in your computer. And you can see right up here, they nestle it under the Documents tab. So if you go to Documents and see Sound Recordings, that's where all your sound recordings live. All right. So we will close out of this. No need to listen to it right now. You need to listen to your recordings when you upload them, but we do not listen. I do not need to listen to them right now, to mine that I just did. Okay. So we go into Canvas. When you're all ready, you have finished your recording, go to grades, find the assignment that you need to submit. So this is audio recording. And you can leave a comment just as usual, whatever you need to do. Click submit assignment once. Then we are going to record/upload media. We don't need to record, we already did it. So we'll just hit upload. We'll hit select audio file. And usually it'll bring you right to where you just were. So there it is. There's our assignment. If you have any trouble looking for it, just go to this PC and type in assignment. It should eventually pull it up for you. I'm getting tired of waiting for it though. So that's desktop. I do not need that. Documents, sound recordings, assignment. And there it is, all uploaded. We submit. And you have submitted your assignments. Today I get flowers. Fantastic. All right. So just like always, if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Canvas. Send me an email. You know when my office hours are, but that is how you would take a recording just of your voice on your computer and upload it right into Canvas.